You probably already know that the Google Pixel 3 XL has leaked info. We independently obtained more photos of the Pixel 3 installed applications, the XL retail box, instructions booklets, setting menus and more. First up, we have more photos of the retail box. A leak out of Hong Kong from October 5th gives us our first look at this refreshed retail box in the flesh. Engadget followed that up with a hands-on video and some more photos of the box just a day later, so it goes without saying that these photos are not exactly anything new. That said, we do see yet again that the Pixel 3 box's design goes back to the design of the original Pixel with its front profile. Here's yet another look inside the box and including instruction booklets. We have seen these before, but this is our first look at every single page of the final retail instruction booklet. And we have seen a deeper look at the setting menu, much of which we have seen before. There's an adaptive color option here, and we also see a little blue pop-up for what we presume in Pixel tips. And here's a look at the near full list of installed applications. Notable here are the inclusion of the standalone APK for the Pixel stands, the Pixel Tips app that we are well familiar with at this point. There's also a Pixel Visual Core service application which confirms that the chip's back again. We know almost everything about the Pixel, including specifications like its Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 processor, 4GB of RAM and 64 and 128GB of storage options, but we launch with Android 9 Pie, bring better camera pack, wireless charging alongside a new Pixel stand accessory and more. By the way guys, yesterday I uploaded a full review video of the Google Pixel 3 XL. Go and check out, link is given in the description box. The Google Pixel 3 and 3 XL will launch at the Google's annual Made by Google event on October 9th in the New York City, to hold concurrent events in Paris and London as well as Germany, and perhaps even Japan as well. So guys, what do you think about this? Share your thoughts and views in the comment section below. And yeah, peace.